Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva clone video editor in Next.js using FFMPEG WebAssembly library, MP4Box and Fabric.js. So we are running this project as you can see on localhost 3000, and this is actually the full interface of the application. So it has all the features of Canva as you can see. This is actually the full directory structure of the project. If you see, we are using the next latest version, and also we are using React. We are using MP4Box, which is a library for related to videos, MP4 mixer. We are also using Fabric.js as well, FFmpeg WebAssembly library as well. So this is the full directory structure. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file. So everything is customizable. If you need the source code, you can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. And I basically created this project from scratch. And we are running this locally, as you can see, by running npm run dev. And once you start the application, the interface looks something like this. So first of all, you can actually create a new project as well. It has all the templates for different social media networks, Instagram, YouTube. So as you can see that, so you can select a new template here, and then you can add a text as well, add existing video as well. So right here you have the option to select your own video. So let me select a video here. So once you select the video, just add this to the timeline section. And now the video will play with timeline. As you can see, it's a timeline based video editor. The video will stay right here. It has all the features of Canva. And now if you want to add some text on top of this video, you go to the text option, and right here, just select any text. And on the right hand side, you have all the options. You can animate the text, change the color, size, everything. You can see that. So how, just increase the size, and right here you can edit the text. You can put a watermark, company name, everything. Just you can place it using your mouse wherever you want. You can even change the color as well. So using the color picker, and then just if you want to see the preview, I have the preview button as well. So you can see the preview will see right here how easy it is. And right here from the timeline, you can align everything right here. You can select how you want to appear it. Now again, click preview. And then we have this button of export. So right here you can select, you can also use a GPU acceleration as well, because we are using FFmpeg. You can toggle this. If your computer supports a graphics card, you can do this, and which will actually increase the speed. Click on export video, and then the progress bar will show. So you can easily deploy this once you purchase the source code. It's also very easy. It's a complete Next.js project, full stack video editor project with all the features of Canva. It also, as you can see, it clearly shows the processing time with progress bar. So once it reaches 100%, your video will get automatically downloaded. So if you're interested in this project, Canva clone video editor, you can directly purchase that. The source code, the link is given in the description. So you can just see here, it's a very user-friendly interface for the user. It's very easy to use, and you can even add more features if you are a programmer. Once you get the source code, you can see how I coded this from scratch. So once it completes, automatically the video will get downloaded for you, and then you can play the video. You can see the text is successfully added in the video. So you can even adjust the height, width. So as you can see, you can even adjust the width and the height of the video as well by using these sliders which are given to you on the left hand side. You can even control the opacity of the video as well. X position, Y position, you can rotate the video, you can adjust the volume of the video, you can even control the speed of the video, you can remove the audio as well by toggling this option. So it's actually a full stack Canva clone video editor with all the features that you need. And this is, you also have the option, if you select, as you can see, you can even crop. You can see, you can even crop the video as well. So this is on the right hand side, the crop alignment. You can even apply different effects to the text. As you see, Canva has this option to you. And you can even add your own audio as well. So you can split the video as well. You also have this option split. As you click, and at any point you will see it will split. Same goes with video as well. If you don't need this, you can click that delete option. So it's also very easy to split the video. Once again, click the export button to actually export. Here you can actually use stock audio or include your own audio file. So right here, you can replace the audio as well. You can even save a project, open an existing project as well. So it has all the templates available for you for social media. So it's entirely coded inside Next.js, guys. And if you are interested, the link is given. And coming back to the libraries, we are actually using quite a number of libraries. First of all, we are using this MP4. So it's an encoder library in JavaScript for actually encoding the video files directly in the browser. We are using this. Apart from that, we are also using FFMPEG WebAssembly library, which is actually a way by which you can directly use FFmpeg directly in the browser. So this is their GitHub repo. And we are also using another open source library, which is Fabric.js, which is a animation library in JavaScript for actually putting all these animations that you see inside this next project. So it's a complete Canva clone video editor project, guys. If you still face any problem in running and deploying this application, you can contact me after the payment. I will definitely help you. So if you're looking forward for a full stack Canva clone video editor project, so this is a perfect project for you. You can definitely purchase it. As you can see, each and every component is coded inside TypeScript. So it's a fully functional project, and you can run this locally or even deploy this as well by running a simple command npm run build. So this will build out the entire project, and you can purchase a custom domain and easily deploy the project. So if you're interested, definitely purchase it.